So it's raining today. It's just a perfect day for mint tea. I'm gonna show you how to make a perfect mint tea using my mint leaves. So this is how I harvest my mint leaves. Just chop some leaves. You can also chop the tops, pinch off the tops, so that you can just get more leaves coming and more shoots coming. Pinch as much leaves as you need. I have a peppermint here, and I'm gonna chop off the top part of the leaf like that. Gonna stimulate the plant. When you take off the tops, it stimulates the plant to make more leaves and more shoots. This is another plant here. They're all mint leaves called peppermint and spearmint. I'm gonna show you how I make my perfect tea. If you follow these instructions, you will never go wrong. You'll have a perfect brew of mint tea. I've had all my friends asking me, how did you make that mint tea? It tastes so nice. So here's the secret. Today is the day that I'm gonna give you the recipe for making best mint tea. So let's keep harvesting more mint leaves, because we're gonna be making a few cups of tea. It depends how many cups of tea you're making. You don't need so many mint leaves like I do now. So this is perfect. Let's go make some tea. Got my tea bags here. These are just the normal tea bags. I use decaf, but you can use any normal tea bags that you've got. And I've got my pot, which I normally use for my tea, and this comes with a sieve which goes in there, and that's where I put my mint leaves. So what I'm gonna do is add my tea bag. These are just the normal tea bag that you would use to make a normal English tea. I'm not advertising for this particular tea bag. It's just what I use. It's what I like, because firstly it's organic, and you can see the bag is organic, and it's a decaf, because I like to drink decaf tea. So I'll put my tea bag inside. There's nothing in there. No water, nothing. Tea bag. You can use any tea bag that you have, not the herbal teas, but just a normal black tea bag. Then I'm gonna put in the sieve. Then I'm gonna pop in my mint leaves in there. As I said, this is a lot. But I like my mint tea really minty, and also I'm gonna be refilling this pot. So when I refill this pot, it's still gonna be very strong in mint flavor. You don't have to put in all that. I'm putting in a lot because I am growing my own mint leaves, and I have a lot. So that's it guys. Just tea bag, mint leaves, and some hot water. Then some hot water. Fill it up all the way until it covers the mint leaves. Now, and leave it to brew.